Good morning, students. In our last class, we have done about nutrients. Today we will continue with these nutrients only. So our first nutrient is carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is one of the most important nutrients required in our body. We get this carbohydrate from rice, cereals, wheat, honey, etc. There are two types of carbohydrates, sugar and starch. For doing physical work, we need energy, and this energy is provided to us by carbohydrates. That is why carbohydrates are termed as energy giving food. In the picture near you, you can see some food items. From these food items, we get carbohydrates. Have you understood, students? Our second nutrient is fats. Fats also gives us energy. The most interesting thing is that fats gives us energy more than carbohydrates. Some of the sources of fats are oil, milk, butter, egg yolk, etc. Eating too much fats are harmful for our body. It may cause diseases such as diabetes, obesity, heart diseases and many more diseases in our body. Fats mainly gives us heat and it helps us to keep our body warm. Our next nutrient is proteins. We get proteins from milk and its products and chicken, fishes, etc. The main function of protein is to build our body and even repair the worn out parts. This is why protein is termed as bodybuilding nutrients. Children like you should drink milk or should eat food which contains proteins. Then only you will become tall and healthy. Our next nutrient is protein. We get proteins from milk and its products and even from chicken, fishes, etc. The main function of protein is to build our body and even repair the worn out parts. This is why protein is termed as bodybuilding nutrients. Children like you should drink milk or should eat food which contains protein. Then only you will become tall and healthy. Our fourth nutrient is vitamins. It helps us to keep us fit, improve our appetite or hungriness, and increase our ability to fight against diseases. We get vitamins from fruits, eggs, fishes, green leafy vegetables. Vitamins are not required in huge quantity in our body, but all the vitamins are required in our body in small quantity. If there is lack of any vitamin in our body, it may cause diseases. For example, lack of vitamin A causes night blindness. Vitamin D causes rickets. Our next nutrient is minerals. It helps us to strengthen our bones and muscles. The most important minerals required in our bodies are iron, calcium, iodine, potassium, etc. We get this from green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk, egg, etc. Minerals are termed as protective foods. Lack of minerals may cause diseases in our body. For example, lack of iron causes anemia. Lack of iodine causes goiter. With these five important nutrients, our body also needs adequate amount of roughages and water. Roughages are the fibers present in our food. The main function of roughages is to digest the undigested food in our body. Some sources of roughages are green vegetables and fruits. Water is also very important in our body. Our body contains two-thirds of water. Water is released from our body as sweat and urine, so we must drink adequate amount of water. Water also helps us to maintain our body temperature.